I have not done a braid out in probably 3 or 4 years. If anything, I do a twist out, but if anything, I'm gonna do a wash and go because I'm a lazy natural. Ladies, what's up? It's me, Tami O, and today I'm gonna be doing a braid out. I did not film me putting these in, primarily because it was like midnight when I washed my hair last, and I've had these in for a week. Y'all never guess where I went with these braids. They look fresher then. I went to the office. Everyone's just giving me looks, but no one said nothing, so they should mind their business while I'm at my desk. My hair is tailbone length when it's just completely stretched out. I even did these rushing. I feel so bad I didn't film. I like put these in like 11 or 12 at night last week, and I was planning on wearing a wig, and the wig just didn't, it wasn't giving what it's supposed to give. So I was like, it's gonna be a bomb braid out, I hope. But yeah, so my braiding pattern was, I had 3 right here in the front and 3 in the front, and I had 4 on each side. Okay, and then this is where the braid reaches in the front, and in the back it reaches all the way down here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the takedown.
I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want to share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on.
Y'all, I'm struggling. This is why I don't do this. Y'all, let me get a comb because I can't do this. It's so frizzy now. This is why I do not do this ever.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
Y'all, this is gonna be the last time.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Y'all, this is the worst. I honestly think I made them too tight, so it's unfortunate. Okay, so this was taken out. Okay guys, so I am done with this section. I didn't get a ton of like splitting except on the bottom, but I'm gonna do the other half and then I'll come back when I'm at the front. Okay guys, so I am back. I just took out this section. It goes all the way down here, and I kind of like pull it so that it kind of separates without me having to like separate it, because I'll do all of this later, but because I need it to be looking full of, but y'all know Girl got inches. Now I'm gonna work my way from the back to the front. And I'm not gonna pin these up because these are a little shorter. And I always put a twist at the bottom because clearly my hair is tapered a little bit at the end because I didn't, because my hair's been blunt at the end. So yeah, I think it's best to put a little twist at the end. It'll still get tangled. At least my hair does. I don't know about y'all, but my hair does. So I'm just gonna take my time because I just get confused.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby.
Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna come right back. Okay guys, so I am all done taking out these braids. It took forever, but this is it. Okay, I'll separate a couple of them, but not all the way, because I do want these to last. I do want these to last. I'm not gonna separate them like the ends. But I do know there's quite a bit of like chunky braids. That's why my hair is really not that big right now, especially at the bottom. But I don't want this to be super frizzy because I want this to last, but I'm not gonna wear it out like this to work or anything. I work in an office, so like no one's checking my hair, and then I'll just probably mess with my hair all day. So I'm not gonna wear it out like that, but I want it to definitely last and not get tangled and stuff. So I'm just going to find a couple more, primarily the ones towards the bottom. Okay, so that's good compared to this. This is a little bit bigger. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Again, not going all the way to the bottom. These are real thicky, so I'm just going to separate it. Oh, my hair feels so good. You guys, I use like this oil, what is it called? It's like the island oil, so good. I'll link it down below. But I also coated my hands with that before I started separating. Alrighty guys, so I am done with my hair. I'm gonna definitely fluff it up, but again, I want this to last. I'm gonna be filming a couple of videos today, so I want this to last. And yeah, this is cute, but would I be doing this anytime soon? No, I would not. It was not fun at all. And I feel like with Braidout, you probably get a lot more like breakage and stuff like that, just because like your ends get tangled together. But I like the result, especially because I am getting decent length, and I didn't blow dry my hair. I put the braids in wet, but because I was looking like really dusty for like a week, you know, now I'm cute for like a couple days, and this is definitely gonna last quite a bit of time, so I am happy about that. But if you guys want to see me install the braids, I can definitely do that, even though I don't like braid outs or doing braids in my hair. It takes a lot longer than twists, and I am, again, a wash and go type of girl. But if you guys want, I can definitely do that. And while you guys are still here, just check out a couple more of my natural hair videos. I have one with me blow drying my natural hair. I have one with me trimming it. I have one where I tell you guys my tips and tricks. If you guys want a different natural hair video, definitely leave it down below. Or if you guys want me to try a certain product, definitely let me know. And I will definitely get that done for you. But until next time, adios.